Hi guys, welcome to our new video. We're excited today to show you something which is gonna be great, and we did struggle with this for the entire day, trying everything, and we could not win. But by the end of the day, we managed to win, and we said, okay, let's turn this into a positive energy. That's why we said we're gonna do a video to show you guys how to fix this. I tried to install GIMP, and I could find that it could give me the error which is like displayed on this screen. Says like, look, it started saying like, also what you do, you start with update. After update, then you say sudo apt-get install GIMP. So when you try to install, it's gonna say reading packaging list done, building dependence tree, reading state information done, package GIMP is not available but is referred to by another package. This may mean that the package is missing, has been absoluted, so, or it is only available from another source. So then say package GIMP has no installation candidate. You can see I did this, then didn't work. I read on some article, then they say do this sudo apt-get remove Linux headers -headers AMD64. I did that. I could not win. It gave me the same thing also. This is the prom, and what I did, I went on sudo apt-get auto remove. Also, I read somebody who said this. I did that. Nothing happened. I got frustrated again. I tried. I did this. Nothing happened. I went on, as you can see, Linux headers. I did that. Nothing happened until when I got the right thing. So now I ran that command, and I was sorted. So what I'm gonna say, it wasn't a command only, so it was also the source in the source list. So now I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do. Those guys who are using who know how to go to source list, you must be sudo in your sudo account to do it the way I'm gonna do it. But if you are not sudo, it's fine, but then you must become sudo. I'm gonna clear here, but anyway, by the end of the day, let me show you something. Clear. Okay, I've cleared that. By the end of the day, I managed to get what they call GIMP. I'm gonna start it for you, then that's when you're gonna know that what I'm talking about now. I know what I'm talking about. It's gonna be GIMP. I'm gonna open it on my side, and it's gonna open to your side. Okay, I'm opening GIMP, and it's gonna come here. You can see I opened GIMP. So I've been using it to do my thumbnails. So when I reinstalled Kali Linux, I got into problems whereby I could not install it, and that's why I've been trying to do a couple of things to see if I can install it. Anyway, I managed to get it working. You can see everything is fine, so that's cool. So we can test everything here. You can create a new image if I want to. Then I'm gonna show you how to install yours too if you got the same error which I have. So don't worry yourself, it's gonna be easy. So go to cd. I did put that. That's what I'm gonna show you. Cd / you put they call it etc / apt dot, okay, then ls. You list what is there. So you see, this is the thing you're looking for. You're looking for the source list. You copy that and say vi. We wanna vi that. If you're not going to use the interface, then you enter. So we vi that. You get me? You can see all these source lists. I've been trying to use this Kali rolling. It didn't work for me. I went here, I used Kali rolling again, didn't work for me. I went here, did use Kali Sana main non-free. It did not work for me. The only trick which worked for me was this, guys. This line, you can see dep I'm gonna also put it in your in the comment box below. This is what you're gonna use. Put it in your source list. If you don't know how to use VI, I'm gonna show you how to use it instead of using the VI, because the VI could be something a problem to you. If you're using Nano, is fine. You can see this line. I'm gonna copy it, put it in. I used Kali Linux stable. You can see stable main none-free. Okay, so if you can't see on the screen, and I believe you can, so I'm gonna copy this and I put it. Once you save it, put it in your source list, save it. Okay, this is one of the ways to put it. You're gonna say enter, save it, put it there. I know how to do that, which you know also. If you don't know, let's go. Let me see. But yeah, to do that, you're gonna say, okay, let me escape here. I wanna leave this screen. You're gonna say, okay, quit, which is a Q. I'm gonna type Q, then with this, and say okay, enter. I'll quit. To VI this, you must put a sudo so that you're gonna be able to customize that thing. But if you don't put a sudo, you'll never be there. I'm sudo already, that's why I can see my screen is like this. Okay, guys, now this is the issue here. We finished here. If you use VI, we're done. But if you're not using VI, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your any file in Kali Linux. I'm gonna go to files like this. Then I go to other locations. I go to computer. Then I go to etc. When I'm in etc, I can go to apt. When I'm go to apt, I can go down and I go to source list.d. Leave that, don't touch it. Go to this file called source list.source.list. There you're gonna just copy this line and put it in here, and like you copy what you're gonna see. I'm gonna copy somewhere. Okay, let me cut. Then you paste it there. Then after pasting, you're gonna save. But also disable whatever you're gonna find there. Like you see, you put a hashtag here at the beginning of the line, all this line, but leave this line to be where it is, and go save. Once you hit save, everything's gonna be fine. Then that's not the final thing you have to do. So make sure everything is set like the way I've done this. I promise I'm gonna give you this line. You're gonna find it in the comment box below. Also other lines I'm gonna use to do that, and once I'm done with that, you're gonna be fine to do that. So what you do, you after doing that, you close that. Close without saving. I saved myself, that's why I don't want that. So run this if you want to do what to do GIMP. Just say, I'm not going to run it because I did put it already. Whatever software you want to install, run that, because most softwares are already installed. But most softwares, if you had a problem with GIMP, you're gonna have a problem with the same, or you're gonna have the same problem with another software. You understand? So now what I'm suggesting, whatever software you want to install in here, you got to say apt. Okay, you got to say sudo. Also, I'm gonna put this comment down. Update. Then you say sudo. No, you say sudo update apt-get, then space update. Space update. Then after update, then you say space end, which is this. Then you say install. Then space, you write GIMP. So then you enter. Once you enter, that software is gonna be installed. So once you install that software, it's gonna be fine. You never get that problem again. So I'm thinking of a software we can install here, because already GIMP is in. I don't know, but do what I'm telling you. It's gonna work 100%. I've used it before and it worked. The problem was the source list which I was using, it wasn't the right one, because the source lists here, if we can go, I took the one I used there, but here I don't think it's there. So what you go to your Firefox. I'm gonna show you, say Kali doc, then you find it says source list. Once you type in source list, it's gonna come. Then you click here. You can see these are one of the source lists. Here you read about them. So I didn't use this. Come here, whatever, rolling, whatever, main. I didn't use that. All this I didn't use this. I didn't use this either. But this is the one I got it from the internet. Then I used it and it worked for me. So curly, rolling, main, whatever, none-free. That's why I didn't use this either. So maybe if after using what installation of whatever you want to install, maybe you can put back the source list which was there. But the one I've used, it has helped me, guys. It has worked 100%. So these are source lists where you get them. So now you put GIMP, then you strike enter. Once you strike enter, then it's gonna install without no problems, guys. So that was the reason why I was getting the prompt, because of the source list. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm so happy that you're with us and the channel is growing. We're sitting on 300,000 views, viewership, and we really appreciate your support. And we ask, if you have any tutorial you want us to do, you can put in the comment box below. We're gonna do it for you. So all the lines and the steps, I'm gonna put them inside your inside the comments, inside the description. You're gonna read and get them right. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.